What's up, mini truckers? Just getting back from a camo adventure. Got my khaki camo truck, my khaki camo vest, my khaki camo pistol. So you gotta definitely stay tactical, make sure everything matches. This is a Subaru Sambar. One of the things I like about it, it's the 4-wheel drive. It's got the 24-inch tires. Let me show you some of the stuff in the back here. It's got the spray-in bed liner, all matte. So all the frame has been matte black, if you can see in there. And then reupholstered driver's seat. This one's got AC. One of the cool things about this one, the Subaru, you can actually fit 24-inch tires on here. So I had to shave down a little bit of that mud flap, but these 24-inch tires lift it really pretty tall. And then you've got a real big sidewall. So lots of fun with that. This is a 4-wheel drive model. Okay, I'll show you some of the other cool stuff I did. We reupholstered the driver's seat with a nice vinyl and these pleats. I've got to get the all-weather floor mats out of my other one. Overall, it's in decent shape. A little bit, used, but yeah, I've had fun with this one. It's a khaki. Then I had the khaki adventure, buying all the gear. You can see that matte front bumper. So I kept the top white mostly, and that way you can keep a little bit cooler in case of the heat. But I've got more paint, you can touch that up. Yeah, this battery cover is all matte. The wheels, matte wheels. That frame, the tank, maybe even those mud flaps, I can't remember. I got kind of crazy with it. But hopefully you enjoy this, hopefully you have fun. We're gonna deliver this mini truck. We're trying to bring it out here. Hopefully I can get my trailer back out. This is where people use this stuff. Ooh. So thank goodness for 4-wheel drive. I'll show you what we're gonna do. Got the Sambar. Somebody's got 44 acres. Try to honk my horn, get some attention. Beautiful day though for a mini truck sale. Nice and cold. I like it when it's cold. Alright, we're approaching the dead end, it looks like. You guys are here. I always take all my mini trucker family. Not my... I'm just gonna get some video. Here we're here at the 40 acres. We're driving around. That might be fourth. You're good. Probably you're going back down a second. Let me see. I think that's first. Nice. So what were you? I mean, what do you get around in now out here? Just a 4-wheeler. I said that heat's gonna be nice, dude. Y'all gonna be loving this. I'm already cold. Y'all do deer hunting? I see some sort of feeder.
It's already full.
Yeah, we should be in good shape. Nice. Like it's nothing. You probably know the softer areas. I'm always nervous, but they always do better than I think they're gonna do.
Yeah, well, they're not heavy.
Yeah.
I don't see them getting stuck.
Right.
My cousin-in-law's gonna build the house.
And what do they do with the outbuildings now? You have storage? Those are yours?
Storage, yeah.
Okay. Hello. We're crazy. Nice. Put that in the glove box. Mini truckers, look at this. We're out here Just rained, everybody's flooded.
Good tires, man.
I said those tires, they're not even having a struggle. The famous last words, huh? I mean, it doesn't get much worse rain than what we had though, really. Yeah, no, we're up pretty high. And you could just fully close that thing up. With that little heat, put it by your feet. And then what? You like the fan in that gear? Let me just shift in second, see what happens. Oh shit.
Oh,
Don't stop. Okay. Nice. Yeah, I guess you almost have to stay in first then, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for here, yeah, no, first gear's good.
Right.
Oh yeah, this thing's nice.
That's it. You like how go to shift in second with momentum, but you're like, boom, you're in the mud, there's no momentum.
That's my bad.
Nice. All right, here he comes. He's not stuck. He's trying. We went through all the mud, everything I saw. I couldn't believe it. But he's gonna be happy. They're loving this thing. It looks pretty awesome.